What if AI didn't replace designers, but actually made them faster, sharper, and more creative? CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2026 just introduced something powerful, a new philosophy called artist intelligence. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what that means. We'll go through what's new, what's faster, what's smarter, and then I'll build a real design project using AI-generated elements combined with professional Corel tools. Let's dive in. What's new in 2026? The biggest headline in CorelDRAW Graphics Suite is AI integration built directly into the workflow. The new AI Generate Docker allows you to create custom images using text prompts. You can start from scratch, from a reference image, or even from a sketch. Then there's AI-powered remixing, quickly modifying visuals using text instructions. Need to remove a background? One click. Done. Subscribers also get monthly AI credits for generating images, plus new templates and brushes. But AI isn't the only upgrade. CorelDRAW 2026 also brings a refreshed modern interface, smoother font handling, major stability improvements, and launch times up to 3 times faster. You feel the performance difference immediately. This release isn't just about features, it's about momentum. Now let's talk about the concept behind this release. Artist intelligence. This isn't automation replacing creativity, it's intelligence assisting creativity. AI generates ideas, designers refine them. AI removes repetitive tasks. Designers focus on impact. The control never leaves your hands. And that's exactly what I'm about to demonstrate. Designing a full social media campaign usually means rebuilding the same concept over and over for different formats. Today, I'm changing that. I'll generate a clean lifestyle concept using AI, and turn it into a complete multi-platform campaign inside CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2026. Instagram post, story version, horizontal banner, one idea, multiple outputs. Let's build it. Inside the AI Generate Docker, I start with a simple prompt. Minimal lifestyle fashion model, natural lighting, neutral background, commercial photography style. Within seconds, I get multiple variations. I select the one with the soft beige background, natural shadows, and confident pose. Next, I generate a background texture. Soft beige textured background, subtle fabric texture, minimal aesthetic, smooth lighting, neutral tones, high resolution. I will choose this one. Then I create a soft organic shape that I can use as a design accent. Minimal organic abstract vector logo, soft curves, neutral gradient tones, modern branding. I will choose this one. 3 custom assets, no stock searching, no external tools. Now I remove the background from the model using the AI background removal tool. Clean edges. Ready to place. This is where AI saves time, not creativity. I change the background size to 1080 by 1080. The background sets a soft, neutral tone. The model becomes the visual anchor. Now I add a soft ground shadow. Soft shadow under her feet. Now typography. The headline, Own Your Everyday. Large, Clean, confident. Below it, New Collection 2026. I refine spacing. Adjust alignment. Change color. This is where professional design tools matter. Now I remove the background from the organic shape using the AI background removal tool. Adjust size. Adjust alignment. Add the website. Adjust size and alignment. AI gave me the starting point. CorelDRAW gives me structure and control. Now we have a polished Instagram campaign post. Instead of redesigning from scratch, I duplicate the page and switch to vertical format. 1080 by 1920. I reposition elements for vertical flow. The model scales slightly larger for impact. Same concept. New format. Consistent branding. That's efficient workflow. Now I duplicate again and switch to a horizontal layout. Model on the right. Website at the bottom. Organic shape on top left. Text on the left. Balanced composition with plenty of breathing space. This version works perfectly for website headers or social media covers. Now the campaign is unified across platforms. With multi-page export, I can output every format in one go. Square. Vertical. Horizontal. Production ready. This is what modern content creation looks like. Fast. Organized. Scalable. AI helped generate the concept. CorelDRAW helped shape the message. That's artist intelligence in action. One idea, multiple assets, professional execution. CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2026 feels faster, it feels smarter. And the AI integration actually makes sense inside a professional workflow. If you want to try it yourself, there's a free trial available. Check the link in the description. And I'm curious, would you use AI to speed up your next design project? Let me know in the comments.